Welcome to the FinSolve Role-Based Access Control RAG Assistant demo. This project was designed to give FinSolve Technologies a secure, smart chatbot that helps employees access company knowledge specific to their roles. By combining retrieval-augmented generation with role-based access control, the system ensures everyone sees only the information relevant to their department, keeping sensitive data protected and making answers fast and accurate. Let's look at how access is managed. The role-based access matrix outlines which teams can access specific types of documents. For example, the finance team can view finance documents and general files, but not HR or engineering content. The marketing team can access its own files and general documents. C-level executives have full access to all departments. This matrix enforces strict boundaries, ensuring users only see information relevant to their role. It helps prevent data leaks and supports compliance. Now, here's a sample user table. You can see each user's name, role, and what they can access. For instance, Peter, the engineering lead, can access engineering and general documents. John, a general employee, can only see general documents. This setup assigns permissions based on job roles rather than individual users, making access management organized, scalable, and easy to review. Let's check out the project structure. The app folder contains the Fast API backend code. Schemas holds Pydantic models for data validation. Services implements the reg pipeline and business logic. All department-specific documents are stored in resources, and the static and templates folders power the web UI. This modular setup makes it simple to manage, expand, and review the system. Here's how everything fits together. The system features a JavaScript front-end for chat and authentication, a Fast API backend that manages authentication and runs the RAG engine, and a Chroma vector database for fast semantic search. We can use deep AI embeddings and support multiple language models like GPT-4 or Claude. Security is enforced through JWT authentication and rate limiting, making the stack flexible, scalable, and secure.
Welcome to the login screen of the FinSolve role-based access control system. Here, we have set up a demo login list. For now, it auto-logs in users, but later we plan to connect this to the company's user database for enhanced security. Although the data spans 5 departments, engineering, finance, marketing, HR, and general, I have created a ranking system with 7 levels to control data access. Now, let's see the chatbot in action. Imagine you are a typical employee, John Doe, and let's log in. When you logged in, you are greeted with a personalized welcome message and a list of documents you can access. Here's the personalized welcome message for John. Welcome back, John. As a general employee, you are access company policies, general information, events and news, employee benefits. I'm your RAG-powered assistant with access to 4 documents in your scope. Quick tip: use the suggest queries on the left or ask me anything about your department's data. Security note: all responses are tailored to your role and include source references. At the top left, you will see the company name and what this chatbot does. It also mentions that it's connected to our RAG-powered AI, ready to help you. Just below the company name, you will see your access permissions, customized to your role. Let's try asking a question. I'll select what training program are available and press send. Processing. Within a second, the chatbot responds, highlighting the main categories and providing 5 source references. Clear, helpful, and concise. Now let's switch users. Click the Switch User button at the top right and select Alex Chen, the CEO. The interface remains the same, but permissions and demo questions now reflect Alex's role. For example, let's ask, what compliance framework does FinSolve follow? You will get a detailed reply. If you prefer a quick summary, just ask, summarize in less than 100 words, and the chatbot will do that for you. Next, let's see how the system handles complex questions. Let's select Bruce Banner, the marketing director, as an example. As a marketing director, he might ask, how did spending on traditional media compare to digital advertising in 2024? The chatbot responds with a detailed answer. But if you ask, what was the overall ROI for 2024 campaigns? Currently, it struggles without specialized calculation. In future updates, I plan to integrate SQL databases with LangChain to generate and run queries, making such answers possible. And for HR, if Natasha asks, can you break down employee distribution by department? She might get a response like, I'm sorry, but I'm unable to provide a breakdown of employee distribution by department based on the sources provided, and so on. As we are working to improve this with SQL integration for smarter, structured answers in the future. Exciting updates are on the horizon. We are expanding support for PDFs, text, and doc files. Actually, the code is ready in place to have a check with raw data to make sure. We are also adding username and ID verification to boost security, plus new admin dashboard for easier role and document management. And yes, CSV export is coming, along with integrating LangChain with SQL's database for smart querying. In summary, the FinSolve role-based access control Frag Assistant offers secure role-based access to your company's knowledge, combining advanced AI retrieved with robust, audible controls. It designs to empower your team while safeguarding sensitive data. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates. A big thank to you to Codebasis for inspiring this project, and to all the providers offering free tiers plans. Your support make innovation accessible. Together, we are bringing this vision to life.